High in New Zealand's heart, where snow meets steam, Mount Ruapehu keeps its ancient secret alive. At its summit lies a lake that boils, a mirror of calm, hiding fire beneath. This is one of Earth's few crater lakes alive with fury, water heated by magma below. At any moment, pressure could rise and meets, a breath too strong, and the mountain speaks. Its past eruptions shaped legends, ice melting into rivers of ash.
Today, scientists listen closely, decoding the heartbeat of a restless giant.
Here, ice and fire share one breath. Creation and destruction bound together.
Mount Ruapehu, the volcano in the sea of sky.